Hello students, today we will going to read about the medication adherence. As you all have read many times the word adherence, it means to be stick with any of the thing. Don't going or diverting any other aspects like in relation with the medicine. The medication adherence is defined as the extent to which a patient's medications taking behavior coincides with the intending of the health advice he or she has been given. It means that whatever the prescription, whatever the advice is being given to the patient, he will take all the medicines without making a fail. Every day he will take the medicines according to the prescription. It can be said as the medication adherence is one of the most important factors which determines the therapeutic outcome, especially in the patients suffering from the chronic illness. This medication adherence is also one of the factors which causes to evaluate the therapeutic drug monitoring, like the compliance in short term therapy is generally more than the long term therapy, because it is short and simple to take the medicines for 2-3 days regularly. But if you are taking a medicines for a long duration, like in the case of diabetes or hypertension, there is a more chances to forget to take the medicine. Compliance rates vary from person to person and show even 50% rates in even in literate population who are literate, who are educated, they know what is the benefit of medicine, still they are failing to take the medicine regularly. If we see the scenario of USA, from the USA industry expert has said that it was estimated that 50% of all the prescriptions filed are never consumed, 20% of the new drug prescriptions are never filed the first time, and 30 to 40% of the initial prescription are never filled. So you can think about the Indian scenario, what is happening, because they are more illiterate as compared to it has been seen that the non-adherence can be occur when there is a deviation from the prescription or the patient is not taking the medicine. So there are different reasons for the non adherence. First is the disbelief in the treatment. Sometimes the patient thinks that there is no the medicines will not cure him, he will be cured by himself, or he will be cured by other allopathic or ayurvedic medicines. So it, and this belief is not an immediate belief, it generated by time to time. Okay, next is the temporary relief from the symptoms. Like if the patient is having a malaria or a TB or a diabetes, they think that it will be if I will take the medicine for the 6 months, it will temporary relief, but it is a long time lifetime disease. It will not go if you it will not subside if you not take the medicines regularly. And next is the frequent dosing, which is a time factor, because if the dose is changing frequently, the patient got confused and it will not be able to take the medicines on time, proper time and proper dose. Next is the complicated regimens. If the patient is getting complicated regimens, like you have to take the medicine, crush the medicines and mix it with the water, and you have to take it for 4 ml. That's a little bit and a tidy process, so the patient feel little lazy to do all these process and forget to take the medicine, or he will not take the medicines. Next is the multiple therapy. When the patient is taking many different pills, like in the case of hypertension, in hypertension there is given multiple combination of drug, like to lower the blood pressure, sometimes to lower the cholesterol level or other symptomatic diseases. Next is the inconvenient doses regimen. If the doses regimen is inconvenient, like you have to take the tablet, but the tablet is bitter, you are not able to take it, or the size of the tablet is big, or the uh, capsule, sometimes the patient who are vegetarian, they will not take the medicines like in the form of capsules, because they think that gelatin is made from the animal skin. Next is the economic factor. Economic factor is also a main important reason for non adherence, because of the socio-economic uh, status of the socioeconomic status of the country. Like most of the people are very low grade, from the low class, so they will not afford the medicines which is more costly, so they will take the medicine for 2 3 days, and after that he will not continue. So, by definition, we say the non adherence is the patient does not take the medicines as instructed by the physician, and does not follow other instructions as given by the prescription, as given by the physician or described by the patient, pharmacist, like with respect to the diet, exercise, precautions, and other habits. Whatever the patient counseling given to the patient about the diet, exercise, he will not control all that things. Like the example, blood pressure. Blood pressure patient has to take a combination of medicine, so he will take the atenolol 50 mg every morning, but forgets to take the torvastatin 10 mg at the 9 every day, and he will be told not to smoke or do other and do exercises and works, but he smokes 10 cigarettes a day and does not go for walk and exercise, go only for some times, is not very particular about the restricting the meats, eggs, butter, etc.